Chapter 7 Storage Parts of a Computer. Topics covered. Data storage devices. Data storage devices. The storage part of the computer saves our data which can be used by us later when in need. Let us learn about some of the commonly used storage devices one by one. Hard disk. A hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box storing all the information of the computer. Without a hard disk, we cannot work on the computer. We use other storage devices too to store data which help in avoiding use of too much space on the computer's hard drive. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is a shiny disc that is round in shape. It can store less amount of data as compared to hard disk. They are generally readable but not writable or erasable. DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. It offers higher storage capacity than CDs. Memory card. It is small in size and used to store data in mobile phones and digital cameras. It can be taken out from the devices or used to view data on a computer screen. Pen drive. Pen drives are the most commonly used storage devices nowadays. They are rewritable and much smaller than a disk. They are easy to carry. All these storage parts of computer help the data to be retained with the user for future use. One can access their files anytime he/she desires, if saved properly using any storage device.